Alright guys, Baz here again for another unboxing video. Tonight we're going to unbox the oven, Corso Design Oven T020. If you fancy a pizza in your apartment, this is the thing to get, I think. Remember, if you like what you see, hit subscribe, tell all your friends, leave some comments, should we get back to you. Anyway, let's get back to this. Okay. Good bit of kit, heavy, so hopefully. Don't use scissors like this at home, kids. My mate told me to do this. Fairly well put together. Right then, about 1500 kilowatts, so it shouldn't start bursting your breakers at home and your fuses. You should be alright, just a bit like a kettle. Right then, design one, this should be quite good. Here we go. Okay. Looks right tidy, doesn't it? Or obligatory plastic. Remember to dispose of this stuff environmentally correctly, okay? Bad shit that, bad stuff that. Okay, so desktop looks like a microwave, but it's actually an oven. You stick your pizzas in that, stick your bread in that. So, you can hear the thermostat going there. Timer. Fan option, so you can always check for your fan options. And what the? Comes with a free pizza as well, you can't argue with that, folks. Anyway, scrub that. Bye.